Greetings, Eagle-IoT users. In this tutorial, we'll explore how to stay informed and manage your notifications within the platform. Let's dive in and learn how to effortlessly keep track of your activity and updates. To access your notifications, head to the tab's navigation bar and look for the bell toggle. The bell toggle serves as your portal to recent notifications. Upon clicking the bell toggle, a window will emerge, presenting your recent notifications. The bell icon provides quick access to your recent platform notifications, including activity alerts and important updates. Click it to stay in the know. Feeling overwhelmed by notifications? Take control. Manage your EagleIoT notifications right here. Click the mute/unmute toggle to silence the bell when needed and focus on what matters most. This concludes our tutorial. Stay tuned for further tutorials as we delve deeper into the functionalities of EagleIoT. If you have any questions or need support, please don't hesitate to visit our website www.avl-ksa.com/contact-us. We wish you continued productivity and exploration.